Well, good morning from inside of the tiny element. It is 10 to 6 on a Tuesday morning in Florida. I'm in Orange City. I just spent the night at a Wawa. I got a sandwich here last night. Ciabatta one. It was actually really good. I went to Blue Springs Park yesterday. The lineup was like an hour long. I got there late. I didn't pay attention to the directions online. Yeah, you think I travel like an amateur. So I decided to stay in town last night. It's 10 to 6 right now. It's 40 degrees outside. And I'm heading up to the park to get in line because there were 600 manatees in the lagoons yesterday. So this is why I'm here. I'm willing to do these extra miles and sleeping in weird places to see epic things. So I'm going to head up there right now, and hopefully I'll be like the first in line. I'll make coffee up there too. Okay, yeah, so Wawa open 24 hours. There were no signs anywhere saying no overnight parking. It's a pretty big parking lot. It is busy, but at a certain point it quietened down. It was a Monday night last night. Okay, off we go. Well, good morning again from inside the tiny element. As you can see, let me light it up for you with my bright lights. Well, no, I better wait for a second. So I'm at the ranger station of Blue Springs Park. I'm the first in line. Let me put the lights on in here. Ooh, it's really dark. Okay, so I'm the first in line. Yay! I am the first one in line. Go figure. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Just off to my side over here, my left, you can see kind of the lights. Let me just see if I can. The news station is here. So this is a big event. I mean, I'm just so happy that I made it. Doubt that I'll be able to camp here because I didn't make reservations. But I've got my tiny little cabin on wheels. So I'm gonna enjoy my cup of coffee. It's really cold, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Florida is no joke. Oops. Hang on. Hi, good morning. Oh, because the cold. I was actually just doing some filming for my YouTube channel, so. Oh, wow. It's my little tiny camper. I know. Have a whole setup. I know. So cute. Yeah, no, look at this. Did you see me making coffee? Coffee is good. I figured, well, I didn't know if you were with the park or what was going on, but I didn't want to interrupt your work, but yeah, here's my tiny little my kitchen.
This is so precious.
Right. Well, I designed this. It's the only one in the world, and I'm traveling all over North America for the next year and trying to figure out where I want to live next.
Oh man, well, Florida's a great place.
I know everybody's so kind, but what's with this weather?
I know. This is I've lived here for about a year and some change. And so I moved here, and I was like, wait a minute, like I actually might still need to have my.
I know. I was just telling your coworker, I don't have my winter bag with me, but luckily I had enough, just barely enough blankets to do this. Okay. And I do have my winter clothes, because everything I own in the world is inside of here right now because I have a very tiny storage unit back in Oregon. But it's like, this is insane. This is like real, and I'm
getting warmer this weekend.
Yeah, it's super insane though. But anyways, yeah, this is my little home right now while I'm traveling, and I just stay in all the state parks, and I'm visiting the national forests and just seeing the country.
That is a beautiful adventure.
Thank you.
So, and I'm excited because I've never. But yeah, I'll just ask you about your excitement, and then if you're okay with it, I might do a follow-up interview for like our 9 o'clock show. Yeah. Like once we get inside and get a chance to see it. So like, what's your reaction to seeing it?
Absolutely.
Perfection. Okay.
Or I also have.
But you don't have to.
Check this out.
Oh. Okay, well then I don't need to bring my.
So I mean, well, because the back country, I need that for.
Blind.
Yeah. Oh my God! So, that was the news station. They're going to interview me because I'm the first person in line. Hair and makeup, please. Okay, so this is so exciting. I just spoke with the news station, and they're parked out like right here, over there. They're going to interview me because I'm the first person to see the manatees today. But this is actually a really monumental and amazing event. So I'm just so thrilled to be here and to be seeing this. What a great day. I mean, Florida is amazing. Okay, we're gonna get interviewed for the news. I'll try and do a little clip of that, but you'll see me on the news. I think it might be Fox, I'm not sure. I'll come back and let you know. Good morning. Okay, it's now 7:11 in the morning. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. The news, let me just get you off the pot here. Who's over there? They just interviewed me for the Fox 35 News here in Florida. And we're all just waiting for the park to open so that we can get in to see these little beauties. So yeah, it's about another 50 minutes, 45 minutes, no, 50 minutes before we can get in, and then we're gonna get parked up, and it looks like we might be the only people here, which is amazing, to see all these little beauties. So I'll come back to you real soon. There's the news crew over there filming. It's now 7:35. The park is almost going to be open. There's the park ranger setting up. There is a line of people behind me. Just talked to the park ranger. There's 653 of these little beauties in there. Oh, I'm so excited. So it's 3 minutes before I get to go inside. So, oh my goodness, 653. This is like some kind of record. I just can't believe it. Okay, getting ready to go in. We'll flip you. There's the ranger station. Okay, we're going in real soon. So the ranger is ushering the news crew in. They get VIP treatment. They get to go in first. He's gonna park them somewhere epic where they can get the first viewing of the manatees. And pretty soon. Is it time to go in? Thank you. Woo! Okay, now it's my turn to go in. I am so excited about this. Have a great day. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Doing good. By yourself today?
Yes, day pass. And then I was wondering, what are the chances of there being like a cancellation for any campground or any campsite or any cabin?
I have not had a chance to look yet. Any availability on campsites? Still booked solid.
Okay. So, do they come in throughout the day, the cancellations, or?
They do.
So I should just come up and check back?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Your best bet to check back after 1 o'clock.
Okay. And then I don't know this park at all, so where am I going to see these little sweeties?
Just take this road all the way down. It'll run you into our lower parking lot. Off to the right, you'll see a sidewalk. That's our boardwalk.
Okay.
Just start walking the boardwalk, and anywhere along there, you will see 653 of them.
Oh my gosh.
They just finished our morning count, so.
How do you guys count them? Thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Okay, so not camping here again, but I'm here for the day, so I'll check back at 1 o'clock and see if I can get a campground. And this is Blue Springs Park. Gotta go slow so you don't run over the turtles. I think it's too cold for turtles. But what a gorgeous morning! Oh, good morning, Blue Springs, Florida. Okay, we're heading down. Still driving down the road on the way to the spring. goodness. So it's first thing in the morning, and it's just after 8 o'clock, and this is the boardwalk. I haven't seen any yet. It might still be too cold, but I keep popping off on these little lookouts to see if I can see anything. Let's see if I see anything. Okay. Not yet. Well, let's go see. There they are, popping up. Oh my goodness. So it's still really early, you know, it's first thing, and they're starting to make their appearances. You can see the gray shapes. Let's flip. Oh yeah, here we go. Look it. I want them to come up to the dock here and say hello. Right there. Oh, look at that. Here they come. It does. Mama and the baby right there. Oh my gosh, look at them all just chilling in the spring. So it's still early in the morning and it's cold, so I don't blame them for hanging out at the base of the water, but they look like hippopotamus mermaids. Oh, they're so cute. I'm going to take you up to another spot up here, and hopefully you'll be able to see them better. Just chilling. Just chilling. Look at them. Aww. So when it's cold like this, these manatees come up the river to get warm because they can't live in cold temperatures out in the ocean. So there's 653 of them hanging out here today.
Manatee just did it a little sloop, like this. Like this. It went like this.
the manatees were swimming.
Yeah, that's a young one. He's not.
I just want to see one's face.
Okay, this is the next day after I was able to spend the night here. Let me turn my thing off. And this is the lineup. Oh, goodness. Yep, the lineup goes all the way down there.
We have a ranger down there that people that want to use the boat ramp.
Yeah, and then it goes all the way up this road. I got so lucky this second time around trying to get in. Met some beautiful people who you'll meet here on the channel, but look at this lineup. It's a historical day. Historical days in Florida for the manatees. Look at how far up the road it goes up there. Yeah, way down there. Okay. Well, good morning again, cats and kittens and feral souls and my YouTube darlings. It is another beautiful day in Florida. It's still cold. I believe the date is December 28th, and the winter gods are not letting up. So I woke up this morning and it was 37 degrees at Blue Springs where the manatees are. Those poor little manatees, they have to swim up that river to get warm because they can't put a coat on or mittens. And yesterday, like I showed in the video, 653 of them were in the lagoons. It was quite the sight to see. But I am traveling even farther south today. Like I Googled the warmest places in the U.S. is Miami, Florida, and the Florida Keys. So kids, we're going farther south. So I just might end up in the Keys for New Year's. You never know. Good, beautiful morning. Well, kids, I've made it farther south. I'm just passing Jupiter, Florida.